Hi, in this Introduction to Business Central series, KE Consulting will be showing you how to navigate through and use some Business Central features. In this part 1 video, we will be walking through choosing your role and navigating to various pages. So here I am just signing into Business Central and it will open on the home page. The first thing we're going to do is select a Business Central role that corresponds to our job role, as it can contain layouts and pages that are more relevant to us. To do this, we need to click on the settings cog in the top right corner. We're then going to click My Settings. This is then going to open up a few settings, and at the top you will see Role. If we click into this, we will see the available roles such as Accountant or Sales Order Processor, but I'm going to use the Business Manager Evaluation as it is quite a varied role. From the My Settings page, we also have the option to change the work date, and you could select a day in the past or future if you needed to. We also have the option to select a company, and this will be used if your business has separate companies within Business Central. So now if we return to our home page, we will find a layout based on the role we selected. Our home page contains lots of tiles with information about various pages, and these tiles may differ depending on what role you selected. We've also got some activity information here telling us about sales and purchase invoice amounts. Below this you can see our tiles, and the first two are showing we have 9 sales quotes and 1 sales order. And these tiles can be clicked into to go to the relevant page. If we scroll down a bit, we also have tiles for our Continue add-ons. So even with third-party add-ons, our homepage can show relevant tiles. If we scroll back up, at the top of our page we will find the toolbar. The lower section of this has some pin pages that don't require a drop-down menu. Then above that we have some categories that we can click into to view even more pages. And again, this is going to look different depending on what role you selected. All of this is customizable, so you can organize your pages the way you like them, but I'll show you how to do this in a later video. And we also have these arrows to scroll back and forth along the toolbar. The next way of finding pages that I'm going to show you is the search function. In the top right, we have this magnifying glass icon, and if we click this, it will bring up the search bar. In here, we can type in anything that we're looking for. So I'm going to type in sales order, and as I do so, it will begin showing relevant pages. The first caption that appears at the top is on current page, and this is going to show any pages that we could have found on the page we're currently working on, which in this case is our home screen. The next caption down is pages and tasks, and this contains pages and tasks relevant to what you searched. If we click show all, we get to see more, and if I were to click onto sales orders, it would take me to the sales orders page. Our final caption is reports and analysis, and as you can imagine, this shows reports relevant to your search. I'm also going to show you where to find a list of pages for you to look through rather than searching. So from the home screen, in the top right, we can click the 3 lines. In here, at the top, it has our role name, Business Manager Evaluation, and this page is showing the relevant captions and pages for our role. Now, if we wanted to find even more pages outside of our role, we can click Explore More Roles and be in the All tab. So from here, we can find even more pages, such as manufacturing. If at any point you can't find a page inside Business Central, it may be that you don't have the permissions or the right license. We can also use the tabs at the top to show administration or reports and analysis. Or from the home page, we can also click All Reports to go directly to reports and analysis. And that completes this video on how to select a role and navigate through Business Central.